Welcome to Get to Know the Speakers of Digital Confex. Today we have with us Rabindra Sah, who is Chief Technology Officer at Indian Register of Shipping. He will be joining as a keynote speaker on the topic AI for every professional, driving productivity and elevating efficiency during the third IT Confex on 23rd August in New Delhi. So Rabindra, welcome to the chat show.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ayush. It is always pleasure talking to you and getting connected with Digital Confex.
So, Ravind, please give us a brief introduction of yourself and your field of expertise for our audience.
Oh, thank you so much, Ayush. This is Rabindra Sah, Chief Technology Officer at Indian Register of Shipping. I come with the 32 years of industry experience. The first 32 years, 31 years, I have worked for Tata Group leadership team, always in the engineering technology. And last 1 year, I'm working as a CTO in Indian Register of Shipping. So, like always, I'm very excited to participate in third Information Technology Conference, New Delhi. And this time, my topic of speaking is AI for every professional. And the content inside will driving productivity and elevating efficiency. So I'm going to share insight how to identify first problem, because problem statement is very, very important. Once we identify the problem statement, then see how and what AI solution to be used to solve for the productivity and elevating the efficiency. So this is the what entire my presentation, insight, use cases, and technology solutions I'm going to talk about. So I'm looking forward to meet you all, to be there in the New Delhi in the third your Information Technology Conference, Digital Conference.
Ravindra, I think it sounds very interesting, your topic, and I think our audience will be delighted to know your key takeaways of the topic, your keynote topic especially. So I have some rapid fire questions. So my first question is, what is the biggest tech trends
Yeah.
that excites you right now?
The big trend is surely use AI for sustainability of any product development you are using from end-to-end product lifecycle management. So this is the technology, this is what is driving the whole world. AI for sustainable in design, productivity, manufacturing, supply chain, all the area. And this is exciting time, exciting decades of people to really learn, implement, and grow.
So one thing that I think people would be surprised to know more about you.
Oh, yes, it's going beyond the technology. Recently, I climbed the Everest Base Camp, which is over 5,000 the feet. The tracking was very, very difficult. So it was a 14 days of tracking. That is what is the exciting and an achievement that I have recent past.
Yeah, I think that's very nice and great thing to share with our audience. So my last question, why should attendees not miss your session? Please tell us.
Yeah, absolutely right. The what has the general trend is seen the first people or industry, the professional, are lack of awareness on about AI, what is the basics of AI and how it is to be adopted. This is the one. So my insight will say that awareness, learning use cases from other is very, very important. Second aspect is that it is not the technology which is first use technologies to adopt and solve and apply wherever we want. It is the first the problem. First, every CXO of the industry, also a small and medium startup, they should go and smell the problem in and around. So first identify the problem and the see the technology, which technology is best fit to solve the problem. That is what is going to excite the entire audience.
Thanks, Rabindra. It was great connecting with you, and I am thrilled with your excitement to join our conference. So all the participants, don't miss a session happening on third Information Technology Conference on 23rd August in New Delhi. Have a great chance to connect with you in person. See you soon, Rabindra.
Thank you so much. Bye bye.